There is perhaps no other bag that I have obsessed over and hemmed and hawed over than what's in this box. Um, Anyways, I'm so super excited to open this box for you guys. I don't know what took me so long, but in the process of contemplating this purchase, I literally Googled tons of crazy things. Like, everything from like what's reasonable to spend on a bag to like I'm having a hard time opening and talking, so let me concentrate. So I'm like, what can I fit in a tote? How big should a tote be? What's the biggest tote humanly possible? Sort of just all these things. And I came across a lot of really good informative articles and also a lot of hilarious articles just talking about how women are like so maniacal with their bags. And I'll link my favorite one below. It was just a hilarious story. And it talked about this woman who never really spent a lot on bags, and then she kind of got to the point where she's like, you know what, I want a quality bag that's going to last a long time. Like, I'm ready to pull the trigger. And so she finally pulled the trigger, and what she wanted was like a sensible, if I remember correctly, like a black or a brown bag for work. And then she tells this funny story about how she like went in there and she's like, I'm going to do it. I deserve it. I need to have a nice bag that's going to last forever instead of having a lot of, this is really well taped in case you didn't notice. In case of having a lot of like cheap bags, whatever. And then what she ended up doing was she couldn't help herself, and she went in and she bought that bag, but she bought it in purple because purple was on sale. And the end of the story, which is hilarious, and I kind of ruined the article for you, but whatever, it's still a good read because she's a really good writer, is she says, the bottom line is like, buy the bag you want in the color you want. So she spent all that money and she never wears it because it wasn't her color. And so the moral of the story, ladies, is buy what you really want so that you actually use it. 4 pounds of leather amazing is in here. This person is one of my all-time favorite sort of leather designers. Mr. Chris Pack from Sandast. Local. A sweet letter, I'm sure. I'll read that later. Anyways, check out the packaging. Very well bubble wrapped. Obviously very well taped. And he's my favorite designer for a lot of reasons. One, he's hilarious and down to earth and funny and so passionate about what he does. I interviewed him, so if you haven't had a chance to watch that interview, watch it. There's nothing I can tell you that you wouldn't come across in the, oh my God. So, I got the Karl Tote after much introspection. And it is amazing. Dun, 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 dun. Not only, oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so not only I am excited, not only did I hem and haw about like, should I get this bag, blah, blah, but I was like really indecisive about the color. So, this is his tan and this is the James original. And my daughter, because it's kind of close to Christmas, she was like, please put the gingerbread man pencil in there. So she just really wanted me to have like Christmas swag. So that's why that's there. But this is the James tan, and it darkens and ages amazing, like beautiful. And so I wanted to show this to you because I was thinking, should I get another tan? I know I will be disappointed. The tan color is like, it's obviously pretty. But I was like, I think I'm going to change it up, and I kind of want the cognac. So I went cognac. And I gotta say, man alive, did I make the right choice. It smells amazing. If you've not experienced full grain leather, it has a scent to it that can't be replicated by that sort of cheap imitation stuff or the genuine leather, the top grain leather. I am so excited, and the size is absolutely perfect and gorgeous. I don't know why I thought it was going to be too big. I can't even stand it. And look at this top lock. Oh, and there's a little tuck flap so I can easily open it. I did not know that. That was not made aware to me in the pictures. And then, oh my God, and his signature. Get out. His signature plaid interior. Can you hear my 6-year-old? She's having a blast. Anyways, in case you couldn't tell, I am beside myself. It comes with a crossbody strap. And the thing that sold me on this bag apart from that, I know Chris does amazing work and he has amazing designs and makes bags like you've never seen, is this amazing story about his former employee, Michael, who's an ambassador for the brand. Hi, Michael, wherever you are. He wrote a great blurb on this bag and talks about how it's his daily driver. He was recently abroad and talked about being in Morocco and how people stopped him, and he took 2 really good photos that stand out in my mind of this bag, and it just sold it. And I think he said something like, this is cognac, by the way, this beautiful reddish deep color, and he said something like, the bag itself is sort of like rugged and tough, but the hardware, which is legit brass, heavy, legit brass, and I'm glad to have the extra weight to know that I have the real deal, not something that's coated. And he said this hardware and the color take it from sort of rugged to elegant. And first of all, very nice writing, Michael. Second of all, I could not agree more. I am absolutely thrilled with this bag. Don't hesitate to get it if you're on the fence. He is having a limited time sale right now because he is moving next year to custom orders only. So his existing stock is priced to move. Don't wait. Do not wait. I am so excited about this bag. I'm a little too excited. I might have to get back on there and see if there's something else I need to have. Thank you so much for watching. Say goodbye to my Karl Tote. It's gorgeous. Stay tuned for the full review. Okay, so I am back. I forgot to share with you guys perhaps the most important thing about this review. I'm just a huge fan of Sandast and things being made locally, things being made by hand, things being done the old school way. All of those things are Sandast. And Chris very generously said, anyone that punches in my name, Sonia Shepard, in as a code will get a super special discount, and this is a huge discount. So go to his website right now and punch it in and see if there's anything that moves you, because it's fleeting, this discount code. I don't know how long it's going to be up there, but use it. It's Sonia Shepard, all one word. I'll show you down below how to spell it. And happy shopping. Tell me what you bought and show me a photo when you get it. Now I'm done. Thanks for watching.